Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is install RStudio and R. So if we look up CRAN on Google, we'll find the Comprehensive R Archive Network. So we can click on that, and we just need to download the version of R that we are going to be using for our given platform and install it. So go ahead, download this, go through the installation process, and once R is installed, then we'll need to install RStudio. So I'm not going to do this. You can install that there. Okay. Additionally, we want to install RStudio. So we look up RStudio, and then we go to Products, RStudio, and we're looking for RStudio Desktop. So go ahead and get this installed. Now, the difference between these two is this is the actual programming language, and then this is going to help us in managing that code. So RStudio makes it nice and enjoyable to actually write our code. So that's all we're going to do in this video. Just go ahead and get that installed. If you have questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. Okay, great. Thank you.